Climbing Ravenall.
Woo! Suicide trail. Straight up, Greg. We did. It's not crazy.
Top of Ravens Knob. Troop 222.
Y'all got a picture of the whole troop up here?
I got a group picture now.
Yeah, let's get 222 up here. Let's get somebody to take a picture.
Moving pictures, y'all. Look here. Look yonder, natural. Yonder. There.
What is it, man? Look yonder.
Greg on the mountain.
Sun almost ready to set. On Ravenall.
I just trying to look at me.
Let me go on now when people come.
Yeah. Please don't.
He's good.
Yeah, man.
Ready? Come out.
Stoke well. Come on, bud.
All right, who's?
Do the head count before anybody gets between.
Troop 222 heading back down the mountain trail. Sun setting on Ravenall.
Guys, not near the edge. No one goes past me.
Yeah, this one's a big drop. But the other one's not.
It ain't very smart, dude.
Alright,
people move
the
out of-
atmosphere
Hey, can you move over for a second? Hey, can you
I
move
believe
over?
it's about 21 kilometers.
So that's like 19 miles, right? About.
Troop 222 signing off a few minutes ago. The top of Ravenall.
See, I can say we're tired, we're run down. When you get to class, you're going to see a bunch of sleepy-eyed people here today.
Dude, everybody's gonna be tired and we're shooting more shotguns today. At the range we're
Troop
recording.
222 having their daily meeting.
Everybody healthy. Health check if you have any issues, you need to take care of. You got to be sure to check chickens and mites, all that stuff. Chicks are in tall grass.
Always check the fence.
We won't link down here to the